Do you ever sit down to study or work, and 5 minutes later, you're on your phone, scrolling, or daydreaming about something completely random? Don't worry, you're not broken. The truth is, our brains are under attack, and focus has become harder than ever before. But the good news is, you can train your brain back to deep focus. Here's why you can't focus anymore. Think of your attention like a muscle. Every time you switch between apps, check notifications, or jump from one task to another, you're weakening that muscle. It's like trying to lift weights but putting the bar down every second. You'll never build strength. The constant switching has trained your brain to crave distractions. And the biggest villain, dopamine hits. Every notification, every scroll, every new thing you see gives your brain a tiny shot of dopamine. Over time, your brain gets addicted to quick rewards, and boring tasks like studying, reading, or working feel impossible. But here's the fix. 3 simple rules to rebuild focus. Rule 1. Eliminate the noise. Put your phone in another room when you study. Yes, another room, not face down on the table, not on silent, but out of sight. Out of sight means out of mind, and that instantly boosts focus. Rule 2. Train your focus muscle. Start with just 10 minutes of deep, undistracted work. Set a timer and do one thing, no multitasking. Over time, increase to 20 minutes. Then 30. Just like training at the gym. Your focus gets stronger the more you practice. Rule 3. Protect your energy. Focus isn't only about the brain, it's about the body too. If you're always tired, dehydrated, or running on junk food, your brain won't cooperate. Sleep well, hydrate, and move your body. Your focus depends on it more than you think. Now here's something powerful. Once you start taking back your focus, life feels different. You stop wasting hours, your studies feel lighter, and you finally get things done. No more sitting at your desk for 3 hours and only feeling productive. Real results. So here's my challenge. Today, try just one deep focus session of 10 minutes with 0 distractions. Comment below what task you'll use it for. And let's see how strong we can make our focus muscle together. This is Stickly Simple, where we take life's biggest problems and solve them with stick-figure simplicity. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more videos on productivity, discipline, and focus.